Hello everybody, welcome to today's Trade of the Day video. It's the 5th of August 2020 and today we're going to be taking a look at gold, which has had another huge leg up over the last 24 hours or so, well, the trend continues. I mean, gold has been incredibly strong over this period, really been seen as a safe haven over the concern of the US economy, and also with the dollar falling as well, it's very much profited from that too. So big moves higher, big strong trends up, and we have been trading with a long bias for quite some time. And you can see even with pullbacks like here back on the 30th of July, not trades we want to take. You know, everything is against us. The daily trend is up, the weekly trend is up, the intermediate trend is blue line. Well, it's blue, that suggests it's up. And also things like chart patterns as well, just simple higher highs, higher lows. It is not looking negative at all. So what that really means is we need to be looking for the next opportunities to buy. This is the 4-hour chart. This is the S4 Accelerator Strategy, and we had a buying opportunity here at 10 a.m. on the 31st of July. And the reason I'm using it for today's video, fantastic strong trending market, great opportunity for our trend signal traders. And whilst the market paused sideways for some time, really yesterday afternoon is when it started to gather pace, and here we are hitting a peak of about 600 points higher than where that trade was entered. So entered at 1976. Spot 7, and it's gone up to about 600 points higher than that, so $60, so 60.1s, that's 600.1s if you like. It's a big move really on gold. Not as big as the prior move here, which was one of our foundation trades, but also an accelerator trade as well. So really great trading opportunity there too, back from the 20th of July. That one really overextended. Will we see a move quite to the same extent? I don't know, but certainly at the moment the trend is up, we're long, and we're picking up some great profits on this opportunity as well. And it's all about simple color coding. A green turn in this line here suggests an upswing in price. Then it is all about the question of, is this an upswing that we want to take? We then consider the context. The daily trend is up, the weekly trend is up, the intermediate trend is up, chart patterns are positive. There's a lot of things going for this buy trade, and as you can see, it's gone on to be a fantastic winner too. All right, guys. Well, look, have a great day's trading, and well, hopefully tune in next time. Bye bye for now.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.